Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will diving into how to create AI generated anime reels that have the potential to go viral. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, or anime fan, if you want to catch the attention of millions, this video is for you. First of all, let's talk about why AI anime reels are so popular. Anime has a huge global fan base, and with AI technology, you can create stunning, high quality animation without needing traditional animation skills. People love anime, and AI makes it accessible to more creators, allowing for unique, eye catching content that can easily go viral. To get started, you need the right AI tool. Some popular tools for creating anime-style content include Deep Anime, which generates anime-styled characters and scenes with AI. Waifu Labs, great for generating anime character portraits. Runway ML offers all AI tools for creating animations, including anime style effects. Each of these tools has different features, so choose one based on your needs and skill level. Once you have chosen your tool, it's time to start creating. Let's go step by step. Create the character. Use tools like Waifu Labs to generate your unique anime character. Generate animation. With platforms like Deep Anime, you can animate your character. You can either create a short scenes or use pre-made animations that match your character styles. Add motion. If you are using Runway ML, you can even animate static characters or add movement to scenes to make them more dynamic. Now, to really bring your reel to life, you will want to add some audio and effects, music. Choose trending songs or ambient music that fit the anime theme. You can use royalty-free music from sites like Epidemic Sound, Epidemic Sound, or YouTube Audio Library. Sound effects. Adding sound effects like a sword clashes, footsteps, or emotional movements can really enhance the experience. Transitions. Use smooth transitions between scenes to keep the flow of the reel engaging. Next, it's time to editing. After generating your scenes, you need to pull everything together using video editor editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, or even mobile apps like CapCut. Here are some tips to make your reel stand out. Keep it short, reels that are around 50 to 30 seconds. Perform best. Use fast cuts, quick, snappy transitions, keep viewers engaged. Use text overlays. Adding catchy captions or on-screen text can increase engagement and shareability. Go to waifulabs.com, then choose a character like that, then click continue. Now select generate and download. Go to Runway, then click get started. Log in with your Google account. Then click continue. Get started monthly, or go back and click use Act 1. Now upload your anime photo from download section. Drag and drop. Here. Click image and upload it. Now click crop. And follow the on-screen instructions to complete your video. Then click generate, and that's it. Now that your anime reel is ready, it's time to upload it to social media. Different platforms have different requirements. So here are some tips. TikTok, use the hashtag like hashtag anime reels and other trending hashtags. Make sure the video is vertical and so no longer than 60 seconds. Instagram reels, same as TikTok, but also use Instagram's music features for better discoverability. Or for YouTube Shorts, upload the video with a catchy title and description, and add relevant tags to increase visibility. To help your anime reel go viral, focus on these key elements. Timing. Post when your audience is most active on TikTok and Instagram. Late afternoon and evening are prime times. Engagement. Ask viewers to comment on the reel. A simple question or a call to action like which character should we animate next encourages interaction. Trends. Stay on the top of trends. Use trending audio, memes, or challenges to tie your anime reel into what's popular. Then hashtags. Always use trending trending and niche hashtags like hashtag anime art, anime reels, or AI anime. That's all for today's video. Now you know how to create stunning AI anime reels that have the potential to go viral. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.